Good afternoon to all of you. Sorry I was a little late. All of us had to be in Delhi because of our great former Prime Minister's ceremony. I just forgotten this program. Then one of my friends reminded me. Anyway, today I am here first to wish a happy birthday boy, 75 years. I don't know, we all will pass that age. God should be so kind. I'm very happy to see all the big legend of this country. You all are not your personal asset. You all are the nation asset who are standing together. A young man from Karnataka who has made a long history in Indian cricket and the sports. Anyway, you all are brought laurels starting from Kirmani, Vishi, Janashekar, Brijesh and everyone, and our young friends, still they are alive, so strong. Maybe all of them, including a lot of others still, who have been in the 90s, 2000 and all, like Kumble, our Dravid and all of them still young, still they can play. But I don't know why they made them out and they are sent out. Anyway, I don't know why Kiri called me as a politician. You should keep politicians out of these activities. All politicians are very dangerous. You should not allow. Earlier, some court kept politicians out of this cricket administration. Now I think something is going right. We should be out of this. We should not be a part of this. That is also I personally feel. We should be in a different arena. You should run the system. We should not run the system. Anyway, I don't like to speak anything much on I'm very happy from Karnataka. You made our country proud. All of you made our country proud. I have not come here as a deputy chief minister. First, I have come here as a fan of Kirmani. I am a fan of Kirmani, Vishwanath, and Chandrasekhar. Three in my school days.